Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm showing you this absolutely awesome 125cc Yamaha. It's an R125. It's a 2016 66 plate bike, 2 owners from new. It's covered 1100 miles from new, and that is sacrilege for a bike like this. These should be ridden. So it's a 125, it's a single. It's obviously learner legal. You can ride this on a CBT, and I don't think you're going to find one as clean as this with as low mileage. Certainly not a 66 plate bike. It's got all the original paraphernalia, all the original manuals, 2 keys and all the rest of it. So let's have a look around. So this is an ABS model. The disc is mounted on the other side, but you can see the ABS track is just there. Front tyre, well, it's done 1100 miles, so it's in immaculate condition. There's none of the usual stone chips and stuff like that behind the front wheel. The bodywork's in immaculate condition, no drops, bangs, scrapes, as you'd expect for a bike that's only done 1100 miles. Bike's in completely original condition. It's finished in the factory racing Yamaha colours, so the silver and blue, the traditional kind of racing colours. It's got the original exhaust on it. It's finished in the metallic blue with the blue matching wheels. We can supply and fit exhaust for you. So exhausts start from about 150 quid, and if you buy it with a bike you get a little bit of discount, and of course we can fit it for you. The bike does have a tail tidy though, which is a bonus. We can supply things like seat cowls and tank pads and crash protectors and all that kind of stuff as well, should you want it. So if we come around this side, again you can see the bodywork's in absolutely pristine condition. No drops, bangs, scrapes or anything like that whatsoever. It's a really, really nice bike. Chain, sprockets, brakes, everything is as new. It doesn't want for anything. As we come up to the cockpit, you can see that it's had the addition of some bar ends, and it's had a yoke cover, which is quite nice actually, because the key does tend to scratch off the paint on the yokes and stuff like that. Nice digital dash on these. One of the few bikes that does still come with a fuel gauge, and there you can see the mileage, 1159. Let's give her a start up for you. Nice quiet engine, quite quiet though. As I said, you might want to replace the exhaust. We do lots of Black Widow, Lex Tech, all that kind of stuff if you're interested, and as I said, we can fit it to the bike before you take delivery. Free delivery on this bike for the duration of lockdown. It's not going to last much longer, so try and take advantage of that while you can. All of our bikes come with a 3-month warranty. That includes breakdown cover and roadside assistance as well. Happy to take any inquiries. You can reach out to us on WhatsApp, Facebook. We've got live chat on both our website and Auto Trader, and of course happy to take a phone call as well. That's it from me. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.